Today we're unwrapping not one, not two, but 10 exclusive Canva Christmas fonts that will transform your holiday projects into a magical visual feast. Now, all of these fonts which I am going to share with you is a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link. Now, all of these fonts which I'm about to share with you aren't your traditional fonts. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, you're not going to find all of these fonts up here in the font section. Now, these are all graphics, and you actually need the codes to find them here in Canva. Because what we do is take the code like this, we copy, then we can come over to the Elements tab. Then, if we type in or paste that code into there, it's then going to pull up all of the fonts. Now, all of these codes, which I am about to share for these Christmas font sets, I am going to link them down in the description below. So, this is the first set, the first font set which I want to share. This is probably my favourite out of all of these, because I really like the mustache and the hat and the belt and the red. I just really like this font's graphic. Now, if we plug that into the search bar up here, we have all of these different fonts, and we also have numbers as well. But that's the first one which I want to share with you. The second one is this one, another one which is really great. Now with this one, there's two different types. You get the stripes and you get the dots. So if we take this, we're going to copy, come over to here, and if we paste that in there, click enter, you can see the difference. We have this type, which is the dots, and also the stripes. If we scroll through these, you can see what they look like. So that's the second. The third is this one, which is more like of a knitting font. Now, if we take this set code, copy, then paste it into here, click enter, we're going to see what they all look like as well. Again, with all of these, you do get the whole alphabet, and you also get the numbers as well. But that's the fourth one. The fifth one is this one. So let's take this, let's copy, let's come up to here, let's paste that in there. And as you can see, we have lots of different styles with this one. Now, if we click on here, we can actually change the colours to this as well. So instead of this greyish blue colour, we can come up to the colour section, click on there, and we could change that to a brighter blue. So with these ones just here, we do have a little bit of customization. Now that's the fourth one. The fifth one is this Christmas lights one, which I really like. If we copy this, come up to here, let's plug that in there, and click enter, we can see what they look like as well. And with this one, you don't actually get any customization, so you have to keep them this colour. Now that's the fifth. The sixth, which I want to share, is this one just here. So if we take this code, plug that into the search bar, and press enter, we can see that just here. If we click on these ones, we do actually get some customization with this one, so we can change the colour. So these are more like SVGs. Now the seventh one is this one, kind of like a Christmas jumper. If we take these and take that, then plug that into the search bar, we can then see what this one looks like as well. Again, we've all got the numbers down there. Then the eighth one is this one, I believe. Yep, we do. If we click on these, we do get a lot of customization with the colours as well. And if we take the code, plug that into there, we can also see what that looks like as well. All of the alphabet and all of the numbers. The ninth one is this one, where we do not get any customization, but this is just a really nice Christmas font in general. Now again, if we take the code, plug that into there, we can see what that looks like as well. And then the last one is this one, where we do get customization on all of the colours, as we can see up here, up the top. And again, if we take the code, plug that into there, we can see what that looks like as well. So that's all the fonts which I wanted to share with you. All of these sets and their set codes I am going to link down in the description below. Now the best way to go about this is take that list, put it into a notepad, and then you need to copy and paste the code into the search bar. Because as you can see, if we look at this code, there's capitals within this. And if you don't have the capital letters, then you're not going to find them. So again, the best way to go about this is to copy and paste the code into the search bar. Now, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to watch more of my font videos, then click right here and watch this playlist.